Hi, my name is Neeraj and I work as a student assistant. This tutorial will explain why and how you should use the CORQ app. Once you open the app, it will ask you to select your college and then log in. Once you do that, it will show you the upcoming events and also display the time and location of the event. There is also a feature to view events happening in nearby colleges which use the CORQ app. To RSVP for an event on a DVC campus, click on any event of your liking and answer the "Will you be attending?" question with a yes response. It is not necessary to answer if you do not plan to attend. Click Filter on the top right if you wish to filter events by themes, perks, and distance. If you click on the three lines on the top left, the menu appears with choices including My Events, Campus, and Nearby Events, organizations, and the Sign Out option. These are the same clubs and organizations as listed on DVC Sync Engage. If you have RSVP'd for any given event, you can view the events by selecting the My Events option on the menu.